Makeup is a powerful tool for self-expression, and for those who engage in cross-dressing, it plays an essential role in achieving their desired look. Among various makeup styles, the black smoky eye stands out as a timeless, alluring choice. This guide will help you master the art of black smoky eye makeup, ensuring you achieve a captivating and flawless look. Black smoky eye makeup is a dramatic and versatile style that emphasizes the eyes using dark shades, typically black or charcoal gray, blended seamlessly to create a gradient effect. This look can range from subtle and sophisticated to bold and edgy, making it suitable for a variety of occasions. Historically, the smoky eye has been a staple in glamour and fashion, favored by celebrities and makeup enthusiasts alike for its ability to add depth and intensity to the eyes. The appeal of the black smoky eye lies in its versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or aiming to make a statement at a special event, this makeup style can be tailored to fit any scenario. Its transformative power can enhance your features, making your eyes appear larger and more striking. Creating the perfect black smoky eye requires precision and the right techniques. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this captivating look. Step 1. Prep your face. Before diving into the eye makeup, it's essential to prepare your face. Start with a clean, moisturized base to ensure that your makeup lasts longer and looks smoother. Apply a primer to your entire face, focusing on the eye area to create a smooth canvas for the eyeshadow. A good primer helps to minimize creasing and makes the colors appear more vibrant. Step 2. Eyeshadow base. The key to a long-lasting smoky eye is a solid eyeshadow base. Choose a neutral or slightly dark base color that complements your skin tone. Apply the base color evenly across your eyelids, extending it slightly above the crease. This base not only helps the eyeshadow adhere better but also intensifies the colors you apply on top. Step 3. The lashes. Lashes play a crucial role in completing the smoky eye look. Start with a good mascara to add volume and length to your natural lashes. For an even more dramatic effect, consider applying false lashes. When choosing false lashes, opt for ones that are fuller and longer to complement the boldness of the smoky eye. Apply the lashes carefully, ensuring they are securely in place and blend seamlessly with your natural lashes. Step 4. Apply eyeshadow. Now comes the main part, applying the eyeshadow. Start with a dark eyeshadow, such as black or charcoal gray, and apply it to the outer corners of your eyes, blending it inward towards the center of your eyelids. Use a medium shade, like a dark gray or brown, to blend the dark color into the crease and towards the inner corners of your eyes. Ensure there are no harsh lines by blending thoroughly with a clean brush. For added depth, you can apply a lighter shade or shimmer to the inner corners of your eyes and just below the brow bone. This contrast will make your eyes pop and give the look a more polished finish. Step 5. Accentuating cheeks. To balance out the intensity of the eyes, it's important to accentuate your cheeks. Choose a blush that complements your skin tone and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upward towards your temples. Adding a highlighter on the high points of your cheeks, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cupid's bow can enhance the overall look, giving you a healthy, radiant glow. Why you should wear the look. The black smoky eye is a versatile and universally flattering makeup style. Here are a few reasons why you should consider wearing this look. Enhances eye features. The dark, blended shades create a gradient effect that makes your eyes appear larger and more defined. Suitable for various occasions. Whether it's a night out, a special event, or a photo shoot, the smoky eye can be tailored to fit any occasion. Adds dramatic flair. The boldness of the black smoky eye adds a dramatic and stylish flair to your overall look, making you stand out in any crowd. To achieve the perfect black smoky eye, follow these essential tips. Choosing the right eyeshadow palette is crucial. Opt for palettes that offer a range of dark shades, including black, charcoal, and deep browns. Ensure the palette also includes a few lighter shades and shimmers for highlighting. Some recommended palettes for both beginners and professionals include the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Using a dark-colored primer can enhance the intensity of the eyeshadow and help it last longer. Apply the primer evenly over your eyelids, blending it up to the crease. This will create a solid base that makes the dark eyeshadow appear more vibrant and helps prevent creasing. Investing in high-quality brushes is essential for achieving a flawless smoky eye. Use a flat eyeshadow brush for applying the base color, a blending brush for the dark shades, and a clean, fluffy brush for blending out any harsh lines. Good brushes ensure smooth application and make blending easier, resulting in a more polished look. Liquid eyeliner can add extra definition to your smoky eye. Start by applying the eyeliner as close to your lash line as possible, creating a thin line that gradually thickens towards the outer corner of your eye. For a more dramatic effect, consider adding a slight wing. Make sure the eyeliner is even and smooth to avoid any smudging. Common mistakes when doing smoky eye makeup with eyeshadow. Avoid these common mistakes to ensure your smoky eye looks flawless. Overblending or underblending. Both can ruin the gradient effect. Blend just enough to create a seamless transition between colors. Choosing the wrong shades. Stick to shades that complement each other and your skin tone. Neglecting the lower lash line. Apply some eyeshadow to the lower lash line to balance the look. Skipping the primer or base. Always use a primer or base to make your eyeshadow last longer and appear more vibrant. Many celebrities have made the black smoky eye their signature look. Here are a few iconic examples. Kim Kardashian, known for her dramatic smoky eye, often paired with nude lips and flawless contouring. Taylor Swift, often seen with a more subtle version of the smoky eye, perfect for both red carpet events and casual outings. Rihanna frequently sports a bold, edgy smoky eye, complemented by her unique fashion choices. These celebrities often work with top makeup artists who use advanced techniques and high-quality products to achieve their stunning looks. By studying their makeup styles, you can gain inspiration and learn how to recreate similar looks. The black smoky eye makeup is a timeless and versatile style that can elevate your overall appearance. By following this guide, you can master the art of creating a flawless smoky eye, perfect for any occasion. Remember to invest in high-quality products, practice your techniques, and most importantly, have fun experimenting with different looks to find what works best for you. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you'll be able to achieve a captivating and alluring black smoky eye that enhances your natural beauty. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.